Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my new topic, and the topic is relations. We will find the following when we look for the relations in the above. The harmony in the society begins from the individual. We need to ensure right understanding in the individual as the foundation of harmony in the society. Second, with right understanding, the need for physical facilities in the family can be ascertained. By assessing our needs correctly and by producing more than required, the family can be prosperous. Assurance of right understanding in the individuals and prosperity in the families. Understanding of human relationships leads to harmony and trust, fearlessness in the society. When every individual is able to live harmoniously in relationship and the needs of all the families are ensured. Fearlessness, mutual trust, and society will naturally follow. Fourth point, when human beings with right understanding interact with nature, it will be in consonance with the coexistence and will be mutually enriching. We may also understand it in the following sequence. First is right understanding to follow prosperity, and prosperity will follow fearlessness, and the fourth will follow coexistence. Programs needed to achieve the comprehensive human goals. The five dimensions of human endeavor. First is education, right living, shiksha or sanskar. Health is follow self-regulation and swasth and sanyam will come. Justice and preservation, nyay and suraksha. Production will work. You can say utpadan and kriya. Exchange and storage, vinimay and kosh. First point we will follow education, right living, we can say shiksha or sanskar. The content of education is the understanding of harmony at all the four levels of our existence, from myself to the entire existence. Right living or sanskar refers to the ability to live in harmony at all the four levels of living. Thus, education to understand harmony at all four levels of living. We have to ensure the availability and the continuity of education, right living in our society. This dimension of society works to ensure right understanding and right feelings. Second is health or self regulation, swasth or sanyam. Sanyam refers to a feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protecting, and rightly utilizing the body. When the body is fit to act according to the needs of the self I, and there is harmony among the parts of body, it is referred to as health or swasth. Sanyam or self regulation is the basis of Sahitya or Swasthya. Justice, preservation, Nyay or Suraksha. Justice या न्याय refers to the harmony and the relationship between human beings, while preservation, Suraksha, refers to harmony in the relationship between human beings and the rest of nature. Justice means human to human relation, and human relation to its recognition, fulfillment, evaluation, leading to mutual happiness. Preservation. Human to rest of nature to relation, its recognition, fulfillment, evaluation, leading to mutual prosperity. Thank you.